Hello, I received an automatic watch winder as a gift. Let's unbox it and get it running. I've always wanted one since I have a lot of mechanical watches in rotation, so I constantly have to wind them. It has 3 slots. I like this glass. And this is probably where you change the operating modes. Let's see what's in the bag. The power cable. Which probably goes here. Now let's set up the watch. This is a Pagani Design GMT, I'll leave a link for it in the video description. The cushion is made of good material. I found this Seiko 5 secondhand on the internet and fell in love with it. It doesn't have self-winding, so I have to shake it. It has a small crown, so it's hard to set the exact time, but I love how it looks on the wrist. The next watch is an Invicta Pro Diver, a homage to the Rolex Submariner, very easy to set up. It comes on a metal bracelet, but I like it better on this NATO strap. That's it. Let's get it running. This is how it turns, and the watches stay wound all the time. A good detail is this light. And this is where you change the modes. In the dark, it looks really good with the light. It's silent while operating, so it can be kept in the bedroom. It automatically stops when you open the door. It's a really good thing to have if you own mechanical automatic watches. If you love watches, subscribe to the channel, and let's learn about watches together.